Hi guys, this is Kenya with Kenya's Decor Corner, and today I'm just going to do a quick refresh on my front porch. And as you can see, it's pretty blank. I don't have anything out here really. Some of my flowers are starting to grow back in, and I'm excited about that for the spring. So I still have my white poinsettias out here from Christmas, but I think they look really pretty. Actually, let me pan back here a bit so you guys can see how they look, because I might leave them here for a little bit longer. I'm not sure, but I think they look really pretty actually, and I like how they look with the white lanterns on my porch. It kind of helps, bring more white to things. But my husband's gonna have to get out here and remulch and trim our hedges back, because we haven't really done much out here since Christmas. But I may be taking those hanging baskets down with the poinsettias in it. I'm not sure just yet. But so this is how my front flower bed is looking. And like I said, some of my flowers are coming back. As you can see, the pink ones there. I'm excited about that. I usually have potato plant filled in where you see all of the mulch, but of course they die back during the winter. And so we'll have to figure out what we're gonna do. Maybe I'll try to get them to come back, because they are there. They're just not out yet. But my Dusty Miller is beautiful. It is so nice. It's doing well. And over here, again, we have more of the flowers coming back. And look at this Wandering Jew back here. It's doing really well also. So yeah, this mom is spreading out so nicely. It's taking up that whole section here, which I'm excited about that. And yeah, I'll need to put my little sign out. My lanterns, they're starting to rust a little bit because we've been having quite a bit of rain. So I'll clean those up and probably re-spray paint them white again. Let's paint over here. I did just a few minutes ago go ahead and cut back this Wandering Jew because it was kind of all over the place, and it had a lot of loose ends that was sparse, and so those are the trimmings there. I'm going to put those in water and probably try to repot more of those. So this is my flower bed and my porch. So I'm just going to clean this up and show you guys what I come up with. And the front door here, you can see me moving in the background. I'll move over here so you can see the front door. I don't have a wreath on it or anything just yet, so I'm a little bit late on that. And guys, I have to say, my neighbor was like, "What's going on with you? You haven't decorated outside yet?" And I was like, "I know, right?" So she and I always like to decorate our yards, and I'll just show you a little clip of her yard here. Her flowers are all out and everything, and they look so pretty. So yeah, I'm gonna get to work. So I'll be right back, guys, and show you how my porch has come together. Okay guys, so I'm pretty much done with my porch refresh. I have my wreath up here that you guys have seen me use for the last couple of years. And so, yeah, I didn't change anything too much with that. And I have my He Is Risen signs that I'm gonna have to paint these because they are not looking that great, I don't think. Well, on camera they look okay, but in person I think they look kind of faded, and so I would like for them to be brighter. So I think I'm gonna try to repaint those. So I just propped them up there so you guys can see them, because I will plan to put them on either side of my door, I think. But I have my hello sign that I picked up from Ross for $7.99. I thought that was so pretty. And a great price for the size, because you can see it's a large size. Hello. And I just put a couple of throw pillows on the chair and on the bench. You can see there. Just something floral. And I pulled out these yellow, what are those, sunflowers? Just to add a little more color to the porch. And yeah, that's it. And I am deciding to go ahead and pull out all of the white poinsettias that I had in my flower bed. So you can see I've taken them all out there. And so yeah, I'm probably going to go ahead and take these planters down as well. And I'll put some real flowers in those later. But yeah, that is my porch refresh. I have my little spring flag out that says welcome with our monogram initial. And yeah, so that's my porch refresh. Let me say a big thank you to Marie's DIY and the other young lady. I can't remember her name now. I'm so sorry. I will put her name on the screen here. But thank you so much to them for hosting this little collaboration. I thought it was really a good idea to go ahead and participate so I can start working in my yard. You can see my clippings here. I'm going to put those in a pot with some water so I can root them. And I'll probably plant them in this open spot there. But those moms there will fill in also. But yeah, so thanks again, ladies, so much for hosting this collaboration. And if you're new here, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. I hope that you'll go ahead and click the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell to receive alerts as to when I upload new videos. And for my faithful family members, you guys know I love you so much, and I look forward to seeing all of you on the next video. Much love and many blessings. Bye bye. Woohoo! That was a strike.